Hi guys, so welcome to this channel. So this channel is going to be my finance channel. My main page is going to be everything else, but this page I just want to dedicate to the debt payoff journey. I started a while back, but I'm like this year I'm going to take it seriously. I'm going to set a timer and I want to pay it off in 24 months. At the top of the year is when I officially was like, I'm going to do that. So I'm 6 months in. I'm going to break down where I started at the beginning of the year, where I'm currently at, and then how we going to go about this. So I'm recording the next 6 months. The main focus on this next 6 months is going to be mainly the credit card balances on this page. I'll put the other balances as well, but the main focus is paying off the credit cards within that 6 month time. I think right now the ballpark number is around like 8,400 or 8,500, but in this next, I'll break it down here in a second. Welcome in, welcome in.